Picture this. You're standing in front of the mirror, frustrated by those extra pounds that just won't budge. You've tried diets, spent hours scrolling for workout tips, and even thought about getting that expensive gym membership. But here's the thing. You don't need any of that. What if I told you that with just 15 minutes a day, right in your living room, you could burn fat, boost your energy, and start transforming your body today? No equipment, no fancy tricks, just real results. Let's dive into the ultimate home workout routine for weight loss that anyone can do. Hi, I'm Leo, and welcome back to Fit Vibe by Leo. Today I'm bringing you a step-by-step home workout routine that's not only easy to follow, but incredibly effective for shedding those extra pounds. This workout is designed to maximize calorie burn in a short amount of time, using nothing but your own body weight. Plus, I'll share tips to stay consistent and motivated because we all know that's the hardest part, right? So grab a water bottle, clear some space, and let's get started. Let me tell you a quick story. Last year, my friend Sarah decided to take her fitness into her own hands. She had no gym nearby, a busy schedule, and zero equipment. She started doing this exact workout routine 3 times a week. At first, she could barely get through it, but she kept going. A few weeks later, she was stronger, leaner, and feeling more confident than ever. Today, Sarah's down 15 pounds and says this routine changed her life. And trust me, it can change yours too. All right, before we dive into the workout, let's warm up. Warming up gets your body ready and helps prevent injuries. Let's start with some easy moves. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. High knees, 30 seconds. Arm circles, 30 seconds. Feel that heart rate rising? That's what we want. Now that we're warmed up, let's get into the workout. This is a high-intensity interval training, HIIT workout, which means you'll work hard for short bursts and rest in between. It's the most effective way to burn calories and lose weight at home. We'll do 5 exercises, 30 seconds each, with a 15-second rest in between. If you're a beginner, aim for 1 round. If you're advanced, go for 2 or even 3 rounds. Squats. Keep your chest up and squat low. Feel the burn in your legs and glutes. Push-ups. Modify by going on your knees if needed. This works your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Mountain climbers. Drive your knees to your chest as fast as you can. It's a killer cardio move. Burpees. Jump, drop into a push-up, and repeat. Burpees are the ultimate fat-burning exercise. Plank. Engage your core, keep your back straight, and hold. This builds stability and strength. Take a 1-minute break after each round, and don't forget to hydrate. Remember, it's okay to modify the exercises to match your fitness level. Progress over perfection. Now that you've crushed the workout, let's cool down and stretch those muscles. Downward dog stretch. Stretch out your back and legs. Seated forward. Fold. Relax and stretch your hamstrings. Child's pose. Breathe deeply and feel the tension melt away. See? You don't need a gym or fancy equipment to get in shape. This workout routine, paired with consistency and a healthy diet, can help you lose weight, feel stronger, and boost your confidence. But here's the secret. It's not just about the workout. It's about showing up for yourself every day, even when it's hard. Remember Sarah? She didn't get her results overnight. She got them by sticking to the simple routine day after day. So what are you waiting for? Clear some space, set a timer, and make this workout part of your daily life. Your future self will thank you. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you feel after trying this workout. Want more fitness tips and routines? Subscribe to Fit Vibe by Leo and join our amazing community. Together, we're building stronger, healthier lives, one workout at a time. See you in the next video.